Sonnet 1975 Dodge W100 Power Wagon, $5,250. A rugged and rare find, this 1975 Dodge W100 Power Wagon comes equipped with a Flatbed engine and rebuilt transmission. Titanium rods have been added, ensuring long-term durability with no rod knock worries. Featuring the desirable short bed and four-wheel vibe, this truck is excellent for towing or off-roading. With only 93,000 miles and a clean title, it's a tough classic ready to work or play. Two 1972 Ford F250, $3,250, San Luis Obispo, California. Here's a solid 1972 Ford F250 with great patina appeal, perfect for a classic truck build. It has a 360 V8 engine and automatic transmission, but it currently doesn't run due to a dirty gas tank. The body is straight and it's a clean platform for restoration or customization. A cool vintage cruiser project at an affordable price. Three 1968 GMC truck, $4,500, Treasure Valley, Idaho. This 1968 GMC quarter-ton flatbed is a practical classic with tasteful upgrades. It sports a V6 351 engine with power steering and brakes, and comes with recent improvements including new cab corners, LED taillights, new door panels, dash pad, and floor pan. With AC, a headache rack, and strong mechanicals, it's great for work or recreation. Four 1962 Chevrolet Stepside pickup, $8,500, Olathe, Colorado. A great restoration candidate, this 1962 Chevy Stepside has already received important mechanical updates. Brakes, lines, fuel hoses, new tires, and clean fuel tank. It runs and drives well with a 6-cylinder engine and manual transmission. Only cosmetic work remains to make this classic shine again. 5 1965 Ford F100, $10,000, Indian Valley, Idaho. This two-owner 1965 Ford F100 is a red survivor with lots of new parts. Tires, shocks, brakes, rotors, and rebuilt radiator. It retains its straight-six engine and manual transmission. Original documentation, like the bill of sale, is included. The odometer is broken, but the truck runs strong and has a straight body with only one small dent. Six 1976 Ford F-150, $3,000, Miles City, Montana. This 1976 Ford F-150 features a 2WD setup with a swapped-in 1979 grille. The V8 engine and automatic transmission provide a solid foundation for a restoration or use as a daily vintage hauler. The odometer has rolled over and the condition is fair, making this a budget-friendly entry into the classic truck world. Next 7 1979 Chevrolet Silverado C30 dually, $9,900, Riverside, California, offered in excellent condition. This heavy-duty 1979 Chevy C30 dually is powered by a strong V8 and features a 2WD layout. With 97,000 miles, it's well kept and ready to tow or cruise. The seller is firm on the price and has reduced it from $12,500. A rare dually setup in great shape for collectors or truck enthusiasts. Eight 1971 Chevrolet C10 long bed, Placerville, California. This 1971 Chevy C10 features a 350ci 5.7-liter V8 engine with automatic transmission, power steering, and air conditioning capability. With under 100,000 miles and good condition overall, it's a solid choice for anyone looking for a reliable classic truck with muscle and presence. The green paint and long bed configuration add extra utility and charm. 9. 1972 Ford F250 Camper Special, $7,500, Meade, Colorado. Equipped with a freshly rebuilt 390 V8 and 4-speed manual transmission, this 1972 Ford F250 Camper Special is a powerhouse built for utility and longevity. Though the odometer is broken, it runs strong and has the durability expected from a heavy-duty vintage Ford. 10. 1963 International Pickup, $800, Sisters, Oregon. An extremely rare bargain, this 1963 International Pickup comes with a complete V8 4x4 drivetrain and a 4-speed manual transmission. Though the steering arm is bent, it's otherwise intact and ideal for restoration. For under $1,000, this is a vintage project with serious potential. 11. 1972 Chevrolet C10 Long Bed, $7,000, Berkeley, Colorado. This red 1972 Chevy C10 packs power with a built 350ci block, Ford 6-cycle over, Vortec heads, and performance parts like an Edelbrock carb and custom exhaust. Interior has been refreshed and mechanical components, including the radiator, fuel tank, and ignition are new. A great driver with muscle and street cred. 12. 1964 Ford F100, $12,000, Fairfax, California. This well-loved 1964 Ford F100 long bed was updated with a 300ci straight 6 from a 1988 F100 and a 4-on-the-floor manual swap. Repainted in 2017 with rust repairs and new truck bed, it's been carefully maintained. With new alternator, radiator, and white wall tires, this truck runs strong and looks sharp. The owner is open to offers. 13. 1965 Ford F100, $14,500. A beautiful short bed 1965 Ford F100 equipped with a smooth-running straight 6 and 3-on-the-tree manual transmission. With only 65,432 miles, it's a well-preserved and desirable classic. Great driver quality condition and a solid platform for collectors looking for a turnkey vintage truck.